The last free indicator regarding the algo indicator, the buy and sell, I shared for free on YouTube video. So it has gained a lot of popularity among my subscribers, and I have received a lot of feedbacks that this indicator is working very nice. So today I have found another algo indicator which is completely free to use, and this is highly secret at the moment because it is going to beat almost a lot of strategies on TradingView, and you will love this indicator when you will be going to use it on your screens. And this indicator provides us with high quality buy and sell signals, and you will simply love the signals. And the good thing that it is completely for free to use on TradingView. So please make sure that you should not miss any part of this video, otherwise you will not understand the name of the indicator. So before I move ahead, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach, and I also have a 1 hour coaching recorded form, so you can also book my course for the 1 hour price action coaching. And also, if you are willing to book the lifetime version of my premium indicators, then you can contact on Telegram. You can see the indicators on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. And moreover, subscribers, if you're still looking to join the best broker, and this is one of the broker that I'm using from 2015, and that offers you variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. So you can join this broker by finding the link that is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so overall right now my chart is 5 minutes. So let's analyze this indicator. On the different time frames, you can see we have a buy signal, and this is the free indicator. There is no charge for this indicator, and I will tell you in this video that how you can simply add this indicator on your trading charts. And you can see that on the AUD USD that we have the buy signals overall going very perfect. If you look at the signals, they're going very perfect. So by attaching the indicator, you just need to write SBS on TradingView, and then the indicator will come SBS algo. You just click this one, and you can see this is mostly hidden by a lot of traders. That's not under the use of a lot of traders. You can see sell. There's also a downward arrow. You can see sell, sell, buy. So overall, if you look at the accuracy of this indicator, this is quite amazing that this is providing you with the best entries. And you can see, and the good thing that this is completely for free. Sell, sell, sell. Now guys, it's your duty. Like if you're going to use it with the 200 period exponential moving average, so for example, you can go and attach the 200 period moving average. It's your choice. You can see the buy signal, and that has given us a very good ride. So let's analyze that how it's working on the 1 minute, especially. Let's check the gold. Okay, so gold, if you look at here, we have the sell signal perfectly fine, the buy signal somehow very good fine. Okay, the buy signal worked. So overall, we have some less signals definitely, but overall when we talk about the signals, like we have received a buy signal on USD CAD from here, and you can see a sound upward trend. Okay, so a sell signal, yes, no. Okay, now the buy signal is already there. So guys, definitely you can use it. I'm going to switch my time frame back and going to the bank nifty. And if you look at the bank nifty, so let it load. Okay, sell signal. So overall, it has not provided us with a buy signal, but overall when we talk about the forex pairs, it's going very well, like sell, sell, and buy. And let's have a look on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin sell, buy, somehow good, and sell. Okay, so it looks like this is not much suitable for a crypto pair. So let's have a look in Nasdaq. Yes, Nasdaq, you can see buy and buy and buy. That's very good. Let's have a look on Tesla. Tesla buy, and previously that sell. That's good. Let's have a look on Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum buy signals. Overall, I think so that's not suitable for crypto. So overall, if you are a forex trader and stock trader, I think this could help you very well in a very good manner, because it is providing us with a variety of trading signals which are highly accurate, like you can see on Euro JPY as well. So overall guys, this is completely free to use, and this is a simply free tool. You can add it in your trading view. So I have given the name in this video for the indicator. Simply join this indicator and start trading with this indicator. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.